Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be changing the Just Another WordPress Site tagline. And we are using a service called InstaWP to launch our disposable WordPress environment. So this service has amazing free and pro features with the pro plans starting at $9. So go ahead and check out their website. It's instawp.io. Okay, so from your WordPress dashboard, go over to Appearance, hover, then select Customize. So we are going to be taking a look at the first method. So now you just want to go over to Site Identity, and you have logo, site title, and tagline. You should have these options right here. So I'm going to show you how to change the tagline. But first, let's change the title. Let's change this to something like Tool X. And we want to change the tagline to something pertaining to tools. Let's say good tools for less. Okay, so this is our tagline. If you want to change this, all you need to do after entering your brand slogan or whatever it is that you'd like to enter as your tagline, click Publish. So now if we go to our website and reload the page, here you see that the site's title is now Tool X and the tagline is Good Tools for Less. Okay, so we are gonna undo this. I'm gonna show you guys another method that you can use to change your tagline. So X out of this and let's go over to settings. Just click settings. So here we have site title and tagline again. So let's go ahead and change this to Tool X one more time. And let's change the tagline to Good Tools for Less. All right. So once you're done, scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes. Once you've done this, go back to the site. So from here, you can click this. You can hover over this, then click Visit Site. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Let's close this one out. And here you can see Tool X, Good Tools for Less. All right. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video.